Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be an all new whole house clean with me. I got so much motivation to be giving you guys. I got so much to get done. I need to mop, clean the kitchen, and who knows what else. I'm just gonna show you the real life messes of my house and we're just gonna get it done. Alright guys, so where I'm starting off today is in my dining room. I got so much to do, but I thought that my dining room was the least amount of stuff I needed to be getting done. So I just started by wiping off the crumbs on my table because I'll be sweeping, and then I'm going in with a warm, wet sponge with just some dish soap on it, and I'm trying to get all the nasty grime off my table after the kids had breakfast. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel. I'm a mom of 3 beautiful children, and here on my channel I give you cleaning motivation, recipes, and shopping hauls, and some daily vlogs. If you like that sort of stuff, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of my family. Okay guys, now that the table is all nice and clean, I'm moving on and I'm going to be cleaning off my son's little booster seat over here. As you can see, I had his little covering on it that was from his high chair. It made it a little bit more cozy for him. And right now I'm just going to be sweeping off all of the crumbs and stuff that he left on here from breakfast. Then I'm going to be going in with my sponge with some dish soap and warm water and just getting everything all nice and clean. Okay, so over here in the corner, I'm just picking up a couple of things that I need to take upstairs. Okay, so now that my dining room's pretty much all cleaned up, I'm going to be going into my kitchen. I gotta clean my corner out over here and put away these clean dishes. That's the first thing I'm going to be getting done here. And I usually just let my dishes sit and dry until the next meal. But a couple of my dishes have like a couple of water spots on it, so that's why you'll see me drying it off a little bit. But most of them were dry before I put them away. Okay, so here you'll see me starting to try to clean off this little corner, and I had so much Tupperware over here, I just had to go put it away. And I also had this giant thing of syrup that I had to put away, and a couple of other little things. Now I'm cleaning off the counter on the right side of my sink by my microwave and my stove, and I gotta make sure my soaps are all in the right order. Now I'm just gonna jump right on in and get these dishes clean. So if you need some dish motivation, here it is, because I got so much to clean. Okay guys, so right here, nothing is more satisfying than rinsing out your sink after you're all done washing the dishes. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna finish tackling this corner and taking everything out of here that should not be here. So check out this cool Mom's Kitchen spoon holder thing. I thought it was so cute and my sister got it for me and I love it, but I don't know where to hang it right now. I was thinking about hanging it instead of actually using it, so it's in that corner. Right now I'm going to be tackling our stove. Look how terrible this is. This is so embarrassing to show you, but I need to get this clean and I will take you along with me. Okay guys, so here's the most terrible spot on my stovetop, and I'm going to be cleaning with some Bon Ami. This stuff works wonderful and it really cleans off the spot and it is a lot safer than other cleaning products. And I just sprinkled it on some of the water that is soaking on this spot and I let it sit for like 2 minutes, then I just went in and scrubbed it all off and it took about 90% of it off. If I had some more Bon Ami left, I just ran out of it when I poured it on here, I would have added more on to let it soak more and it would have all came off. Okay guys, so now I'm just going in with a dry towel and dry everything off before I put these racks back on the stove, and using that same towel over here to wipe everything down, including my coffee pots. Okay, so now I'm just taking out the trash here, and when I did this, I realized that we haven't cleaned this trash can in a while, so it definitely needs clean. So I'm gonna send this outside with my son, and he's having so much fun just spraying it with the hose, and that should clean it up for me. Okay, so once my son was done playing with the water and spraying off the can, we just let it dry outside and it dried up pretty fast, so I was able to bring it back in and put the bag back in. Okay guys, so right here is actually the next day, and I decided to start off by doing a load of laundry before I got the rest of my chores done for the day. So I always add vinegar in when I am doing my laundry, may it be towels or clothes or whatever. I feel like it definitely helps out a ton by keeping the clothes fresher longer, and I think it brings some life back to the clothes. Okay, so now I'm going to be getting ready to mop upstairs. I'm going to be using some of this Mr. Clean. And first things first, I'm definitely going to have to sweep everything up before I start mopping. Okay, so before getting started with the mop, I saw that my chandelier here had some dust on it, so I want to dust this off before I got started with cleaning up the floor. You could see how hot my water was just here. It was like steaming hot, and you could see the steam. Also guys, if you haven't already, please follow me over on Instagram at mominonthedaily2020. I'd love to have you over there also. Okay guys, so the very last thing on my to-do list was to clean off the fronts of my cabinets. I know my cabinets are a little darker, so you can't really see too much on them, but they so badly needed a deep clean.